Are you aware of the term ERP and how it can be useful for your business? Let's take a look and understand what it stands for. So, ERP is Enterprise Resource Planning. This evolved from inventory management control in the 1960s, but the term ERP was discovered in the 90s. The companies started relying on it for streamlining their core business operations, such as manufacturing, finance, human resources, sales, and many more. However, the old ERP started raising the cost of businesses and could not cope with security demands and modern technological transformations. This is when ERP started evolving with new features and transformed into Cloud ERP, an ERP that is more affordable and accessible by businesses. This ERP allows to integrate with existing software and hardware to eliminate additional costs. The cloud-based ERP is reliable for all sizes of organizations. It is accessible remotely and saves your money as well as time. This flexibility helps businesses to enhance collaboration, improve productivity, increase security, maximize efficiency, and boost business insights. Cloud ERP is designed to fulfill the digital needs of businesses at a lower cost. So, don't miss the opportunity to boost your business growth with the modern and best ERP solutions provider in India.